Hello and welcome to the 52nd video of World of Warships, where we're going to be playing American carriers. Or rather, we're playing the Ranger. Well, time to get into a battle. Let's see how this will go. Should be pretty interesting. I mean, definitely will be quite fun, no doubt. Now, let's see. What shall I do, really? That's the real question here. Okay. Well. Okay, going up against a... Yeah, that's an American carrier. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battleships. Which means there's going to be 5 battleships on my side. 2, 3, 4 destroyers. Looks like. Let's see, so cruiser. Only 2 cruisers, huh? Well, time to send in the dive bombers for a scouting mission. Okay, so he's around B. We know that the carrier's near B. Oh no. Oh no. No, you don't. I'm gonna send an air squadron. Good. Good. Okay. California, Scharnhorst. Okay, a Commonwealth Hobart. This is good. Okay. Oh, we got the battleship formation scattered. I might not have gotten to see much, but I did get to see something. Now, time to go after... What? So... Okay, dive bomber. Come on, anti-air, you can shoot. Ah! The screen's too strong. I was hoping that maybe it. I need. I need my enemies to actually disperse a bit. I got 2 of the destroyers. What if I go there? What are they doing? This is very annoying. Could could the battleships move up a bit? Okay. Do these battleships want to enter firing range and actually do something? Because it's starting to become really annoying. What the? Whoa! That is some damn. What the? Oh my god! That's some. What's on that north? CLR? What is that? That was brutal. My god, that's... Have they made anti-air twice as effective as it... Like, have they made anti-air way more... Like, have they strengthened how powerful anti-air is or something? Have they made anti-air stronger? Or have they just made it impossible to beat? Is it stronger? Like, I feel like they've clearly made it stronger, anti-air. They've made anti-air stronger. They've made it strong to the point where playing carrier actually sucks. What the? Oh, come on. God. Okay, one cruiser caught out. Now, where is that carrier? Oh my god, those have to be high tiers, like maybe even tier 8. Because they shredded through my carrier. They shredded through my air squadron. They went through it like butter. That's just like, what? What? I cannot believe it. Come on, come on. Ah! Oh my god. Those battleships. Yeah, right, buddy. I like how they're like, I suck when, you know, I have to deal with the anti-air battery. Hmm. Yeah. I can't do anything. Ouch. Yeah, you say that. My plane... Okay, maybe this squadron can out-attrition them.